In this short video, I'm going to introduce two date-related functions. Workday. Workday means how to determine a date, that is, say, 50 workdays after a particular date. So that's function workday exactly, starting from C14, that is January 3rd, and 50 workdays later. The date showing is March 14th. If I want to exclude holidays, I could use the function C14, starting 50 workdays starting from January 3rd, but excluding the holidays in this period. Okay. The holidays of this period is only one day. It's January 20th. July 4th is not in between those days. So the result is going to be 3 days later. It's going to be March 17th instead of March 14th. So that's the function workday. What is the date?